Travel this land, pack tight minivans, and all this for the fans, girls, money, and fame. I played their game and had to scream my name. I will show no shame. I live and die for this, and if I come off wrong, then chew on this.
I'm Ricky. There's a little Bobby over here. We're gonna teach y'all a little something about riding dirt bikes.
That's the best David Slack, 30 pack stroll, 30 pack of home. No propane, propane blows.
I was born to ride, and I got the best damn mechanic. Ricky can fix anything, man. He's really good at setting the bike up and checking everything over. I wouldn't trade him for a cold beer. We have so much in common. Drinking and dirt bikes.
I'm Scooter, and this is my track. Ricky and Bobby showed up one day, and we've been friends ever since. These chickens are what built this track. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have cold beer in the fridge. Me and Bobby Dirt are gonna run a couple motos today. We're gonna see how the bikes are running.
Bobby Dirt.
We'll be at Red Bud. We'll be racing there. Or maybe just watching.
Drinking.
Go! Eat it! Woo! Boom! Ricky!
Man, you ain't even fucking clutch. Clutch.
Stutter when I said that. I'm going platinum, selling rhymes. I went platinum 7 times. And still they ill and wanna see us ride. I guess because only God knows why. Why? They call me cowboy. I'm a singer in black, so throw a finger in the air. Let me see where you're at and say. Let me hear where you're at and say. I'm giving it back, so say. Show me some metal and say.
Look at that shit.
I like AC/DC and ZZ Top. OC Miss Beasties and the kids on rock. Skinner, Seeger, Limp, Corn, the Stones. David Allen Coe and No Show Jones. Yeah! Pass that bottle around. Got the rock from Detroit. Soul from Motown. The underground stone. Fucking pimp. With tracks that Mac and slap back the whack. Never gain away. I don't play with ass. But watch me rock with Liberace Flash. Punk rock the class. Boy bands are trash. I like Johnny Cash and Grandmaster Flash. Flash, 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 flash. They call me cowboy.
Just a good old boy, never meaning no harm. Beats all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, yeah, flattening the hills. Someday the mountain might get 'em, but the law never will. Making their way the only way they know how.
1, 2, 3.
Turn it up. Big wheels come on, let's start, baby.
Sounds right. That's funny.
You got that on film, right? I can't see it, but it's there.